Hello everyone, my name is Ravi Kumar. I welcome to Royal Academy for Civil Engineers. This video is regarding to explain the syllabus of paper 1 which has been called for PWD AE Assistant Engineer exam. So, most of the students after writing the exams like this, like AE exams or JE exams, whatever it is, most of the students will tell that my first subject, that is my paper 1 is not good, my paper 2 is good. That means you people have studied this civil engineering for 4 years, that is good, but you people have studied your general studies from your basic, that is from high school level, but still you are not perfect in that. So, most of the students will be having doubts and then difficulty in understanding that subjects. So, I am in this video I am explaining what you need to study exactly and what you need to do for this paper 1. Paper 2 I will be explaining in another video, please watch on that. See, syllabus for general knowledge, this has been downloaded directly from the KPSC website. So, I am having this paper 1 Prashna Patrike Samanya Gnana covering general knowledge topics relating to current events. This is very important, the current affairs. So, most of the students will ask how many days of current affairs I should cover. Please remember that. So, if you are covering 1 year from now, so that means, so here now it is, we are having September 2020. If you are covering from August 2019 to September 2020, this is enough, perfectly enough. So, what you need to study? Take any Kannada magazine. Magazines of this 1 year and just study that. Just study that and revise this. Or you can also study some of the papers which are there, that is mini papers which have been covered the current affairs topics. If you study that, that is enough, more than enough for your current affairs. Do not study anything else. One thing, either you study Kannada magazines or mini papers of current affairs. So, which have been covered current affairs. That is it. No, do not worry about that. This is enough. The UPSC or KPSC will not ask any questions which are not there in these papers. Please remember this. So, that is about the current affairs. Next we will come to general science. See, general science, Indian history, Indian geography, social science, all these topics only the KPSC will take only from the state syllabus books. State syllabus books. See, all these state syllabus books are available online. You can download it from the KTBS website, Karnataka State Textbooks Service. From this website, you can download them and you can study what you need to study. Remember this, from 7th standard to 10th standard. Not all the books, again, you need to study social science. In some of the schools, some of the classes, it is there part 1 and part 2. In some of the classes, only social science. Take that books and study that. Revise that social science. And next you have science books of all these 7th standard to 10th standard. So, this if you study, students, general science, Indian history, Indian geography, social science, and also the matters of everyday observation and practical knowledge as may be expected of a person who has passed the prescribed qualifying examination. That means, whatever the knowledge you will be having, you should have general knowledge like an educated person to take the decisions as an AE, assistant engineer. So, just study this 7th standard to 10th standard books, social science 1st and 2nd, that is if you are having part 1 and part 2, if it is not having one, so only social science. So, 7th standard to 10th standard. How many books are there? So, suppose if you take social science 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th. So, 4 books social science books and 4 books science books. If you study this, if you keep on revising that, so definitely you can crack general knowledge exam, general studies, that is general knowledge paper 1 exam of AE. There is no difficulty in that. So, you people will be keep on reading so many things which are available in the market, you will be tempted with their color and their font size and all those things. So, you will be keep on reading all those things, you will not get passed and you will get confused at the end of the day. So, what you need to do is just take this 7th standard to 10th standard social science and science books, that is enough. And one more thing is there, that is general mental ability. So, if you see that general mental ability, so what you need to cover, all of you will be knowing that in your BE in 3rd and 4th year, at least for the sake of placement, you people have studied the quantitative aptitude and verbal and non-verbal reasoning book of R.S. Agarwal. Right, most of you, definitely most of you have covered these books. Don't go to any other books, any other videos or something like that. Just take this book, keep on solving the questions. In this you will get the, see, I will tell you one thing. So, whenever you are going for this R.S. Agarwal book, there are so many questions which are there. Take that questions, take that answers, keep it in your front, keep it in your table. So, keep it in front of you and keep on, take the book, keep on solving the questions. Just look at the answer, don't get tired of solving and searching the answer, thinking about that. So, at least for some days, for 1 month, keep on solving the questions by looking at that only. Understand and solve, understand and solve. So, at the end of after 1 month, definitely you will be having the ability to solve the questions. This is what you need to do. For general studies paper 1, no need to do anything other than this. So, remember this, whatever I told till now, so is enough. So, 3 things I told you. One is for current affairs, cover 1 year Kannada magazines. Guys, remember this, 1 year Kannada magazines only, not any English magazine. Just go for that. I will tell you why it is another day. Only Kannada magazines you need to cover, or the newspapers, the mini newspapers, mini daily newspapers which are available 1 rupees per day. I think you may be knowing that. Just take that papers, even it is available, even soft copies are available or the hard copies, whatever you collect that, study that. Second, 7th standard to 10th standard books of social science and science. Cover these books. And third, whatever you have is quantitative aptitude and verbal and non-verbal reasoning books by R.S. Agarwal. Why I am telling is, it is like most of the students will be knowing this in their engineering. So, if you study these 3 books, at least from now itself you decide and you dedicate at least 2 hours per day till the exam. See, I will not do anything other than this. Just study 2 hours per day about these books. Divide these 2 hours in these 3 categories and study that. Let me see, you can see how you will not get sufficient marks in general studies. So, thank you. So, next class, in the next video, I will try to discuss about the paper 2 syllabus, which is essential for civil engineers, not only for KPSC exam, in most of, even for general knowledge, most of the interviews what I have done for my whatever in our some of the panel boards when I went to interview. So, most of the students will not be knowing the basic things of civil engineering. So, I will tell you in the next video, I will tell you how to study, what you need to study, what are the questions you can expect in the assistant engineer exam. So, this what you study is for the general studies. Thank you.